GIS lovers. In here, we are going to learn what we can create by using GIS Cloud platform. By using GIS Cloud platform, we can create this dynamic web GIS interface. Let's see what we have in this interface. See this. If we are going to zoom, the layer will be changed from state boundary to city boundary. This is the main power of GIS Cloud, zoom in power. When we zoom in, it will change the layer boundaries. Not only that, it provides us pop-up window that contain the attributes of each feature. Here we have layer check uncheck options. We can check uncheck the base map. So GIS Cloud provides us base map, adding more than one layers, pop-up window, and dynamic zoom in functions, and many more, which we can learn in our GIS Cloud course. See, it provides us adding labels of each feature, and you can decorate your labels, font size, color, and many more. Here we have zoom in, zoom out options. You can zoom by using this. Here is pen tool. This one is info tool. And this is full extent tool. So these are the powers of GIS Cloud, which helps us to create our dynamic WebGIS map interface. Enjoy WebGIS. Thank you.